We're going to pan fry these dudes. 4 cups of water, and this powder right here makes really good mashed potatoes. Let's get frying here. Where's the sound? There it is. I'm going to start on medium heat just a little bit. We really like these seasoned green beans. Try not to pour this on my shoes. We're going to go ahead and stick these in here. I'm going to flip these bad boys. Get a little color. We're going to flip them over. 4 cups of water in this mess makes potatoes. Can you believe that? Mix this in. The water in these mashed potatoes, packet. Go by the packet. You see, that's pretty smooth. All right, you got potatoes. All right, that's looking pretty good. Here we go. Slotted. Let's get a chop. Let's get a pretty one. There we go. Just like that. And we got to make a gravy place. Got to make a gravy place, right? Can't just let it run everywhere. You can. I don't like a lot of bean juice on my plate. Alright. We're going to get right in there with that, just like that. And you put another one of those chops on there like that. That's the plate right there. Pan fried pork loin chops, seasoned with a little garlic and some salt and pepper. Seasoned green beans, mashed potatoes, and pepper gravy. Okay, that's it. We'll see you next time.